Hello everyone, how to tuts. I'm back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to use tattoo AI tattoo design application. So first of all, you need to open your app. Then you can see the interface. It's like so good, and you'll see here it's not free, like fast processing, unlimited tattoo creations, unlike 50 styles. So there's something. So we'll see the free mode. I just cross it, claim now. So okay, no thanks this time. So here you can see this is the interface. Like if you want to create your account, then go here and you can tap here to create your account. So this time I'm just going to the main things. AI creator, this is AI creator. AI tools, you can see this is AI tools. You can search the tattoos, different tattoos, to get inspirations from the people. So AI create, I'm just going to create. So you can see enter prompt. If you have the custom prompt, like if you have an idea about your business, about your interest, then you can type here manually. And if you want to get surprise me, it means they give you automatic prompt. Angle suite with detailed feather. So you can select the style here. If you want to get all the style, then tap the view all. Then you can see here the some style are not free, they're paid. When you see the log option, so I'm just going to choose maybe this one. Okay, and apply style and custom design. You can custom your design, like select tattoo color. You can give the tattoo color here, or black and white. I colorful it. Choose output format, select format. You can select here, you can see. Okay, like where you can see the output and back. Okay, I'm just going to show back, apply it, and you can choose the aspect ratio. But like portrait and landscape, you need to buy the premium version. I'm just give this one free, and it's neutral. So if you want a specific one, male or female, then you choose, but you have to buy the premium package. And after that, tap on the play button. And okay, but in free mode you have to watch an ad. So I'm just going to pause this video, and after watching the ad, I'll come back. So I already watched the ad, and after that it processing. So it takes few time to processing. You can see it's going faster. So you can see the result. The result is here. So this is the result. Then you can edit this, or you can save it. Okay, so this way you can create the like your tattoo and copy the prompt, and you can select the one. And this is an AI tool, like suggest try your own tattoo. So if you want to get your own tattoo, then you can try this one. Then upload your sketch. You have to upload your photos. So you can tap here and you can upload photos. So if you tap here, so it's not free. Okay, you are not able to do it in free mode. You need to subscribe, then you will get all the accesses. So they give you more things, and also there are a lot of things. It's popular, but it's a pro version. Yeah, I told it's a pro version. You'll get a lot of enhance, upscale, erase, scare covers, placement guide. So all the feature is available.